Good evening, friends. Hope you people are fine and doing well. Friends, as I'm receiving number of emails and also number of comments on my YouTube channel, that some of the friends they are unable to understand my videos because they are in Urdu, they are in Hindi, or the language which they cannot understand, and they have requested that if possible, and I should speak in English so that they can also get the idea. So, friends, in today's video, I'm going to discuss, as you have read on thumbnail, current status of assistant pharmacist. My friends, this might be not a good news for those, candidates who are assistant pharmacists and those who got their degree, category B degree of pharmacy. Hope Let me tell you that as there are two main categories: category A, who is the pharmacist, and category B, who is considered as a diploma holder in pharmacy with the status of or designation of assistant pharmacist. Now, what was the previous status of assistant pharmacist in UAE? The previous status of assistant pharmacist was as if that assistant pharmacist can also work individually in use could have could have worked individually in the absence of assistant pharmacist. But right now, UAE especially, they are going to change their this law, and even in Dubai state they have imposed this rule that an assistant pharmacist cannot work individually, or they cannot run a pharmacy individually. Like they can independently, also individually or independently, they can run the pharmacy only in the presence of a category A pharmacist. Now, what is the drawback? See, the drawback in this situation for all the assistant pharmacy or diploma holder pharmacist is that the demand for these candidates will be decreased, because the employer will search for pharmacists, and that he can only hire a assistant pharmacist to wherever they need some assistant to a category A pharmacist. So this is a kind of a news. I will not say this is good news, but at the same time, I cannot say that this is the bad news. However, this is the current status of assistant pharmacist in UAE. And as I told, that this status is right now implemented in in Dubai state of the UAE. In the remaining states, gradually it will be applied and it will be imposed. So, in this situation, in this case, the demand for assistant pharmacist will be decreased. So, if the demand is decreased, so definitely the benefits which assistant pharmacist was getting, it also be decreased. Let me tell you that in Gulf area especially, KSA, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, they are at the leading position in implementing or in bringing the new health laws. And that UAE is also almost similar to that of to the status of KSA. So in this case, if this rule is implemented throughout UAE, means all the states of UAE, so it means, or we can guess that maybe the other Arab countries, they will also follow this rule. So, keeping in your mind whatsoever you are planning right now, especially those assistant pharmacists who has already finished their degrees and they are searching for a job, so they should keep in their mind. And for those students especially those who are studying in 12th grade, or those who are just going or planning to take admission in the diploma and category B pharmacy, so they should reconsider their decision, because in future definitely the role of assistant pharmacist will be decreased. So friends, this was all about assistant pharmacist. So hopefully I have given you some some idea, and also the future planning for those who are fresh, and those who are those who are going to finish their but they should not be disappointed. Maybe in future some good news will come up, and if any news is coming up, so definitely I'm going to share with you. However, you should keep in mind that this is the current status, and what is future nobody knows. So thank you so much, friends, for listening me, and hopefully whatsoever the new ideas and the new rules, new things are coming, I will try to share with you in my YouTube channel videos. So take very much care of yourself until my next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.